Welcome to Bala Reva UiPath YouTube channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, never miss the update. Today we are going to see how to insert a hyperlink in the Excel and get the hyperlink from the Excel and remove the hyperlink from the Excel. Okay. First we are going to see how to insert a hyperlink in the Excel. Okay, here we have the UiPath Studio. Let me open the. So before that, first we need to install the package. In the settings, make sure you have enabled the connect checkbox or not. Okay, and after that you go here and type Bala Reva and easy. The package name is called Bala Reva Easy Excel Activities. Install the package and save. Here we have the UiPath Studio. So we are going to see how to insert the hyperlink in the Excel. Okay, so when you go to the activities panel, you can able to see the Bala Reva. And just collapse this one, and you have a package name called Easy Excel. Inside the Easy Excel, you can able to see the hyperlink activities, but these hyperlink activities only work inside the Excel application scope. So we have to drag the Excel scope and we need to select the file. Already have the file, it's a data. I'll show you the file. So I'm going to insert the hyperlink here. Maybe we can add 4 hyperlinks for 1, 2, 3, 4. Save this one. So now we are going to insert a hyperlink in the Excel. So here we need to specify the address. Address means URL. So what I'm going to give, https www.google.com, and the cell address is B2, and the display text is, I'm going to give Google. Okay, we are going to add 4 URLs. Again, I'm going to give this is https www.uipath.com, and the cell address is B3, and the display text is UiPath, and the third one is, I'm going to give a Microsoft. Cell is 4, B4, and here I'm going to give a Microsoft. Last one is, I'm going to add Yahoo, and the cell address is B5, and here I'm going to give as Yahoo. And this Yahoo, I don't want the display text. Okay, so you have to set false to the display text overwrite. Okay, I'm going to set false. Even if you give the display text, it won't write. So I'm going to run the process. Let us check the result. See, Google, UiPath, Microsoft, and the Yahoo. Yahoo doesn't have the display text. Okay, let us check the link, it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. Google, UiPath, and yes, it's working well. So this is the way we can able to add the hyperlink into the Excel. Next we are going to see how to get the hyperlink information from Excel. Same as we have to drag the Excel scope, and we need to select the Excel file, and we have an activity called get hyperlink. Sheet name is default sheet 1, and cell info, I know it's a B2, and the address. So this is an output parameter, it is a string, so I'm going to give strurl. So put a write message, hyperlink is strurl, and just do a copy paste 4 times, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to change only the cell address. It's 3 and it's 4 and it's 5. Before that, okay, let us check the result. If you go to output panel, you can able to see the result. See, it received the Google, UiPath, Microsoft, and Yahoo doesn't have the display text, even though it's bringing the hyperlink. And I will show you the properties. Okay, so these are the properties. The sheet name, you have to specify the cell info, and finally you have to give the output for the address. Next we are going to see how to remove the hyperlink from the Excel. So we have the Excel file. What it will do, it will remove only the hyperlink. It will not delete all the cells. And I'm going to drag a new sequence. This is a remove hyperlink. The same as we need to drag the Excel scope from Balareva Easy Excel activity. We need to select this one, and we have an activity called remove hyperlink, and here you need to specify the cell info. I'm going to remove B2 4 times, yes, B2 and B3 and B4 and B5. Let me show you the properties. We have only 2 properties. You need to pass the sheet name and you have to pass the cell info. So I'm going to execute. Let us see. Okay, you can check the result. See, it will remove all the hyperlink. You don't have hyperlink today. But if you want to clear the value from the cell, we have a separate activity. Let me show you that one also. When you go to the manage package, in the connect, you just type Balareva Excel activities, save it. In the activities panel, Balareva Excel, and you have an activity called delete data. In the delete data, it should not use inside the Excel scope, it should use separately. So I'm going to select the Excel file and I'm going to give the sheet name as sheet 1. Here you can pass the range, because I know it is B2 to B5. So I'm going to execute again. Let's check the result. See, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Never miss the update.